Welcome to Kindle Income Academy. I'm Kasim, the founder of the Academy, and I'd like you to dream with me a little bit. Imagine you're no longer dependent on your job for money. Imagine you have a source of income that runs itself automatically, and all you need to do is carry out a little maintenance work on it every now and then. Imagine you're earning your desired amount of money from this source and are living the life you've dreamt of. I'm here to tell you that this isn't a dream. It is a reality for me and my students now. I'm going to give you all the methods and teach you how to make this dream come true. You see, Kindle publishing is a fantastic business for you to enter, and the best part is that you don't need to have some special qualifications or any kind of prior business experience as well. You see, many people have the desire and the drive to do whatever it takes, but they end up doing the wrong things and they end up losing money. I know exactly how this feels because I've been there myself. Not too long ago, I was the one who was searching for solutions to make some additional income. I paid for courses and joined all kinds of groups to learn how to make Kindle publishing work. Unfortunately, none of them did, and I ended up losing thousands and thousands of dollars. Losing money did hurt, but I knew that I could figure out this business, and slowly and surely I did. I began sharing my methods with some of my friends and colleagues, and seeing them succeed was a wonderful feeling for me. As of today, I've helped over hundreds and hundreds of students around the globe get closer towards their dream lifestyle. Now, I'm not some guy you're going to see driving Ferraris or flashing a big mansion. All right. I worked at a job once and I always dreamed of being an entrepreneur. Today, that lifestyle isn't a dream anymore. It's a reality. I want to show you how this can be your reality as well. Kindle publishing was my entry into online business, and it works great because the investment requirements are low. In other words, the barrier of entry is low, and it also allows you to generate excellent amounts of passive income. This means you earn literally while you're asleep. What really boosted my results, aside from the fact of working hard to figure out the methods that work, was to invest in high quality mentors and ask them questions about the Kindle publishing business. This helped me to reduce the learning curve. I was able to save my time, and I was also able to save my hard-earned money just through going through those rigorous trial and error methods. Of course, it is important. I'm not saying that it isn't important. It is definitely important. But investing in a good mentor will definitely help you save your time and reduce that learning curve, as I said a few seconds ago. Of course, I also learned that you need to choose your mentors wisely. After going through all these processes, what I did find was you need to look at I would say you need to look at three main things. Number one, you need to listen to someone who makes money with Kindle publishing and provides you with proof of this. Number two, you need to listen to someone who has been making money, not just for a few months, but for a few years now, and has dealt with all the changes that Amazon has made during this time. You see, I've been running this business now for 5 years, and I've been teaching students as well who have been able to build successful businesses over these years. Over these years, given the kind of changes, given the kind of challenges that Amazon has been, throwing upon us, we have been able to get through all of that because we are well experienced in it, because we make sure that we have been following Amazon's rules and regulations, and because we are people who are treating this business as proper entrepreneurs rather than looking for shortcuts or trying to cut corners. Number three, you need to ensure that your mentor, let be any person that you have decided to invest in, has successful students who are making their desired amounts of money as well. This is what is going to prove if their systems are efficient enough or not. You see, guys, there are many elements to successfully publishing your books. Keywords are definitely important, and it's also important to ensure that you get past the BSR rankings, in other words, the bestseller rankings, and dig deeper. You need to ensure that you're able to spot those hidden but goldmine keywords. I'll show you how to do this. You need to have a system in place that is going to get you good reviews. You're putting out good quality books. You're ensuring that you're giving as much of importance as possible to put out your product in 3 different versions, which is going to be the ebook, the paperback, and the audiobook. All right. You need to ensure that your book basically is going to be product of highest quality. Not only will I show you how to do this, but I'll also give you access to my team of professionals who will be doing this for you. I'll show you how you can build a sustainable business across multiple platforms and how you can diversify your income. Join me and my students inside the course, and we'll support you and guide you towards your dream. This is Kasim signing off, and I'll see you inside Kindle Income Academy.